Hi friends, today we're going to learn how to draw a star. Yes, we're going to draw a star, a celestial object that always decorates the night sky. Okay, now let's get started with our drawing lesson for today. First, draw a straight line from point number 1 to point number 2. Then, draw a straight line from point number 2 to point number 3. Once you're done, next we draw a straight line from point number 3 to point number 4. Now let's draw a straight line from point number 4 to point number 5. Next, draw another straight line from point number 5 to point number 6. Now draw a straight line from point number 6 to point number 7. Great job! Now we've drawn half of the star. Wow, just a few more steps and our star drawing will be complete. As usual, let's draw another straight line from point number 7 to point number 8. Then, draw another straight line from point number 8 to point number 9. Next, draw another straight line from point number 9 to point number 10. This is the last one. Let's draw a final straight line from point number 10 to point number 11. Yay! You've just finished drawing a star. You're amazing. What do you think? Easy, right? Once again, congratulations. And don't forget for like, share and subscribe for next video.